Alright, we're back with another video. We decided to do the exhaust today. I don't know if you can see right here. Lawrence can adjust up there a little bit. The tailpipe actually broke off as we were trying to get to the sway bar link, so we're going to go ahead and do the exhaust while we're here. And it's really pretty simple, just some rubber hangers and a couple bolts up here to take off. I'm going to go ahead and take these bolts off. Let's see, make sure it's in reverse. Oh. Here's the first one.
You want to show where? Right there, just
the top one was up here. I just took it out. Here's the bottom one. We used a jack to hold up the catalytic converter because all the rest of it has hangers on it, but the catalytic converter doesn't. And then literally you just hold these rubber hangers off, and that's how you get the muffler system down. The exhaust system.
That's the resonator and the muffler together. There's something that I just realized I don't think we have.
What's that?
We don't have the bolts to attach the tailpipe to the muffler.
I think they're in the kit.
Okay.
If not, we'll get a couple bolts.
So that's all it is, guys, is the couple bolts to pop it off. And the rubber hangers. What is it? 4 rubber hangers all the way down?
Well, there's 3 on this part, and then there's 1 on the tailpipe. Come on now.
That's probably the hardest part, getting the rubber hangers to come off. One hangs right here. One is over here. And one down there. Up there where his hand is. I think you guys can see that.
Yeah, I'm just going to get it off because with the kit we bought, we got 4 brand new ones. So we're going to take all these old ones off.
Might as well. Here's the old exhaust. It didn't pass. The old muffler. It's all rusted.
It was rusted and broken right here. But we'll get it replaced and we'll be back to you as we're putting the new one on.
Here is the new exhaust. We ordered it off Amazon. When it showed up, the box was all torn up, as you can see. The box, and it's kind of beat up in some spots on here, and it was missing 2 of the 4 rubber hangers that it needed. So we contacted them, and they sent us the 2 other rubber hangers, and we hit the tailpipe with a coat of high temp spray paint. So the tailpipe looks a lot better than it did. We're gonna probably hit the muffler and the resonator.
Any places scratched up, we're going to hit for rust protection.
For rust protection, yeah. And then we'll go ahead and install it. So we'll film some of that as we go. So we're going to go ahead now and hit it with the high temp paint on the muffler and resonator. Anywhere the paint's showing. What is it? The metal showing through the paint, just to protect it from rust, so it doesn't rust out like the old one. Just give it one nice coat.
We're only going to paint the top while it's out here, because I won't be able to paint the top once it's on the car. Any other scratches we notice or we make while we're putting it on, we'll hit them while it's on the car. And this is flat, so if you see it fading out real quick, that's just because it is flat paint. It's not shiny paint. I didn't want loss. And anyway, I actually got the paint for free, so I wasn't gonna complain about it. So that's one less expense we have. We do have to add the cost of a couple other things on our list. Just the silicone grease, the brake pads, and then the replacement sway bar link. But other than that, we're still doing relatively cheap. All right.
Right here.
You missed a spot. Where?
Right there.
That's cardboard.
Oh. Okay, that looks better than it did. We're going to let it sit for a couple minutes probably, and then go ahead and get ready to install it.
I'll pull the cardboard underneath the ladle.
So we'll be back with you guys here shortly. Okay guys, we are under the car now, and on the catalytic converter there is a little metal.
It's not metal.
Metal?
It's some type of composite. I don't know.
Composite. It's a little gasket. We just pulled that off. We're going to put the new one on, and then we're going to go ahead and start, what's it called?
Mounting the
muffler and resonator. This is easier than when you did your Buick, right?
Yes.
We're
cheating a little bit with these rubber gaskets. We're putting a little silicone grease.
Well, the rubber hangers.
Yes, with the rubber hangers, we're putting a little silicone grease and everything, so it'll all slide together nice and easily. See, I'm gonna put them on the muffler itself first. I guess we'll see how easy it is or isn't. There we go. That's one. We'll get this next one back here.
Let's see. Sorry about the camera being wobbly. It's hard to film under a car when you don't have a lift.
Yes.
Put the rubber hanger on that one.
There we go. Let's go ahead and see if we can get the first one up there home. It is on there. Now we gotta get the second one here. Probably be nice if I had some help instead of filming. It's all right, we'll make do.
Hey, we want to document it, right?
Yes, we do. That's 2 of the 3 of them. We'll go try to get the third one on in the back.
Okay, let's go see the back. Okay, now we're here at the back one. Where's the back one at?
It's up here.
Let's see if we can see where that's at. Yeah, right there. This one's probably the most awkward to try to get in. I don't know.
We'll see here in a minute. Might have to go the other way with this one. Put the top part on first.
And then do the bottom.
Yes, we'll see how this goes here. Yes, that went on much easier there.
Then the bottom.
There we go.
And it's on. Now we just have to throw the bolts and everything and put the tailpipe on. We'll show you that still though.
And the kit we bought did not come with the bolts to put the rear tailpipe on. It actually has the bolts, this did not have the nuts. Where did we put those nuts at, Lawrence? But believe it or not, 2 of the nuts that we took off of the old sway bar links are the exact size we need, so we're going to reuse those. And we'll get to that in a minute. I'm going to get this front put together first, and then we'll go from there.
Let me go around to the other side and go back under so you guys can see what's going on. I'm going to close the driver's side door because when I got up before I smashed my arm into the door. What kind of nuts would you call those?
They're
spring nuts? I don't know.
Honda exhaust spring nut kit or something they call it. Ours were still good. They actually came out relatively easy. To be honest with you, I kind of had pre-taken them out and then put them back in for the filming. While Lawrence was away, he's the one that does the filming. I had checked them out to see if I could get them out.
We kind of tried to do this in a how-to video style, but I guess kind of just filming it however at this point. But it's mainly just to document how
what we're doing to the car.
What we're doing to the car. So, from the way it looks like you need to compress them and tighten them at the same time. It just needs to grab one thread.
Which I might have just done, but also don't want to cross thread it either.
Looks like we got the bottom. Now we gotta try and get the top. Looks like the top caught.
And like my father-in-law said, he is the ex-mechanic. He said you really shouldn't use an extension with a impact, but that's why we're not mechanics. We're shade tree. Compress that nut, that's why it's... Well, Pappy got me the smaller gun, but we might need the bigger gun to get them all the way in there. We'll have to go... That one's all the way in.
Where's the bigger? Where's the?
There we go. That's all done. All the hangers are on. Now we just have to do the tailpipe.
Yep, and the tailpipe is simple. I don't know if you guys can hear me. I'm kind of yelling because the compressor is on. But the tailpipe is pretty simple. We just gotta connect it up and put the couple of bolts in down here at the end. Shouldn't be too hard. So we'll be back here in a moment. Okay, we got the hanger on it. That's all hooked up. Now we just have to get the bolts put in. Do you have the bolts, or do I need to grab them for you?
I've got the nuts. The bolts are already here.
Nuts, yes. I'm nuts for not knowing what a nut is. But I kind of know what it is.
All right, you want to get me a 14 millimeter?
Yes, in one moment.
Could I get one if I know what it is?
Yeah.
All right, here, you can take them two and get me the 14.
What? Oh, you're talking about
Put that back too.
Just the 14? Yep. It's filming, so.
Okay. Well, guys, Lawrence is going to get me a 14 millimeter socket to put on the end of our...
14 millimeter socket?
Yes.
Let's see if I can find it.
He should be coming back any moment. Maybe. Here he comes. All right. Let's see if we can get this all snugged up. Good to go. All right.
Did you put the new gasket in that?
I did put the new gasket in. Does that look like it's nice and snug from your side?
It looks good.
All right, I think we're all done with the exhaust. Boy, that sure didn't take us that long. And Lord willing, we'll pass inspection. Everything will be good to go. I'm not gonna film it, but I am gonna sit under here for a few minutes and touch up some of the scratches that are on the bottom half here. Thank you.
So as you guys can see, the exhaust is completely done. It all looks good. Resonator all the way down to the muffler and all the way back to the tailpipe down here. So that is it for the exhaust. If you guys enjoyed this video, give it a like, comment, and subscribe. And as always, thanks for watching and have a great day. So anyways, guys, that is it for now. The exhaust used in this video will be linked in the description down below if you want to pick one up for yourselves. But that is it for now, so I hope you all enjoy and have a great day.